Hey, welcome to my channel. The crypto market mostly has seen exceptional growth over the past year, or so they thought. Especially, at the beginning of the year, 2021, many altcoins trended with massive profits. One such prominent asset kind of is mostly yearnfinance. YFI crypto is one such DeFi token that had given Bitcoin a run for its money in the past. At some point, the YFI coin price mostly had literally exceeded the Bitcoin price and trended for quite a long time. In this video, definitely let us actually try to understand and brief about generally yearnfinance price prediction for 2022 and beyond in a subtle way. All actually your thoughts will essentially be cleared at the end, and you will generally get all actually your queries sorted. Yearn.finance, YFI, price prediction for 2022, contrary to popular belief. The digital asset had kickstarted the year 2022 on a generally positive note, with a price tag of $38,365.76, which is quite significant. In mere 2 days, YFI really saw its wick brushing the price tag of $41,818.39. A slip down from the peaks took the price down to $22,828.89 by the 22nd of January. After a series of accumulations until the 10th of February. The altcoin faced the brunt resulting from geopolitical tensities between Russia and Ukraine. Wherefore, the price of YFI slipped down to $19,376.26 by the 24th of February. Whilst the cryptocurrency did attempt to generally climb up to $22,311.0 by the 3rd of March. But lack of interest amongst investors and ebbing volumes led to a fall to $18,081.52. YFI posed a magnificent uptrend over the next 17 days, which led to the quarter's closure at $24,900.48 in a subtle way. If the fourth quarter opens up optimism and calls the bulls, the price of YFI could definitely reach a maximum of $57,812.22 by the end of the year. However, if the bears outweigh the bulls, YFI's price could stumble down to its sort of potential low of $36,479.28, or so they thought. Considering the bullish and bearish targets, the average price could settle at $49,055.06. Price prediction for the next 5 years. In the next 5 years, YFI might for the most part reach newer heights if it doesn't come across any difficulties, contrary to popular belief. It may strengthen its protocol as well as the user base, actually contrary to popular belief. It might also build really several projects for the betterment of the platform. For the next 5 years, for all intents and purposes yearnfinance might essentially reach as particularly high as $164,257.10 in a subtle way. Conversely, if YFI loses its team in finance, YFI, which is quite significant. It really is an open source, decentralized finance lending protocol that runs on the Ethereum blockchain. The platform is intended to generally further simplify the emerging DeFi space for traders who are not technically strong, contrary to popular belief. It allows users to optimize their crypto assets through lending and trading services. YFI is a sub-governance for all intents and purposes token of yearnfinance, or so they thought. The native Veri token of the platform could be utilized as a reward mechanism for liquidity mechanisms and as well as for YFI holders. The yearnfinance platform utilizes essentially advanced tools to act as a crucial aggregator for DeFi protocols including OV, Curve, and Cosmos, which is quite significant. New additional features which essentially are going to actually be rolled out will help preserve the really long-term value of the platform. Analysis. It generally was created by cronje and his team, which kind of is fairly significant. The DeFi project has no pre-mined coins, no pre-sale, and no investors in a subtle way. Yearnfinance is a system that depends on very other DeFi services kind of such as Ovsum, Balancer Labs, Uniswap, and many pretty much more. One of the central practices of literally yearn particularly is that you can stake your stablecoins definitely such as DAI, USDC, TUSD, USDT, etc., to actually earn passive income in a subtle way. YFI is only granted to specific liquidity providers in the yearn ecosystem in a kind of big way. In yearn.finance v2, the team had introduced a new project known as Vault in a subtle way. It is actually a basically smart savings account that augments the value accrual of deposited assets. YFI prediction, which is quite significant. If the platform launches applications like Yearn that have experienced massive growth in 2020, then traders would literally enjoy magnificent profits this new year. As per Crypto Vault formulated kind of yearn in a big way. Finance price prediction for the DeFi token may reach as kind of high as $57,812.22 by the end of 2022 in a pretty major way. And might reach around $7 2023. On the basically flip side, YFI might slump down to $36,479.28. Historic market sentiments. 2020 in a subtle way. yearn.finance made its existence in the crypto market on 21 July 2020 with a price of $804.44, which is fairly significant. YFI started an upward trajectory from the day it was launched as it got recognized in the market. The DeFi token drastically definitely surged to $4,156.59 at the end of July in a big way. The price significantly started to hike as the token gained the attention of the market. Interestingly, the price really swelled to $33,545.84 by early September as it for the most part got listed on one of the most popular exchange Coinbase Pro. Later, YFI broke its previous price records to reach a new all-time high of $43,873.82 by mid-September. And shockingly sank to $22,595.61 by the end of September. YFI for the most part declined terribly to $12,482.63 by pretty early October with a tremendous supply pressure in a big way. The altcoin sank to $8,395.52 by kind of early November as the market generally turned bearish, which basically is quite significant. Further, it literally started an upward trajectory to hit $28,433.62 by the end of November amidst the expansion of Bitcoin's price rally in a sort of big way. YFI experienced kind of several price variations and managed to trade at $29,959.52 at the end of December 2020. 2021, which is fairly significant. The price maintained a rising trend in 2021. It traded at a price of $22,281.84 at the start of 2021 due to the decline of the crypto market in a big way. Further, the price surpassed its resistance level to reach $37,571.19. The price definitely further surged magnificently and hit its all-time high at $93,435 in the mid of May. Owing to the Chinese market crash on May 19, YFI's price had undergone a basically steep fall reaching $32K in just 4 days in a sort of major way. However,